Ikaw. Sige. Kill guards, kill guards, kill guards on the guards in 3, 2, 1, shallow, on the crown, on the crown, on the crown.
Gago, mamamatay na yung tao.
Muntik na
Patayin.
mamatay.
Hindi pala mapagpalit ng skill ko. Fuck. Hammer, boys. Hammer, 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 hammer. Gigigil yung BS eh.
Gago,
Ayan na
mamatay
sila,
na
ayan
siya.
na sila, ayan na sila. D-Tanks.
Oh no.
Sige.
Wait lang guys, I need to swap my skill. Pang idiot eh. Kipamerin, boys.
Pa-invite niya na ako tira. Di ako maka dyan. Happening.
Offline ka pa. Someone, ano nga? Rokis, grab the banner. Puta.
Ako na.
Grab the banner.
Gago, wag. Papagalitan ka.
Hey, huwag patay niyan! Pag
Hindi
namatay
ko
yan, pukong
namatay.
ina ka.
Kaya pabling ko lang.
Teka, laban na. May na kayo maglaro.
Lang, I need to swap skills, boys. Stabilize, watch the front. What the fuck? Why I cannot...
Ayun na pala yung kalaban.
Na sila.
Nire-repair oh. There oh.
Yo, ano?
Hit mo kayo nagre-repair. Engage dyan.
Pa-invite ako tira.
Ang Kurbushi. Wala, offline nga pa rin ba?
Oh.
Open ka lang party finder para maka-join ka.
Yeah.
Mag-uwi na.
Boys, food only. Yo, boys, come here, southwest, DPS. Southwest, boys, behind the wall, in 3. Never mind.
Bad trip yung dungeon, oh.
Kipamer.
Pinching up,
Northeast
pinching
pala yung nag-amar,
Nagaan
boys.
sa loob.
Boys, on the people who are repairing in 3, 2, 1, people who repair. Okay, almost. Ready, Locus, defensive now. You pull out.
Silent sila.
Engaging. Keep hammering, boys. Keep hammering.
Hindi makapasok.
Hindi na makabalik to mga to. You have roll this guys.
Yeah, bro. Kill, QW. Don't know see yet, okay. Uy, QW on him. Q. Boys, another one. The people who are repairing, boys. Come here, north.
Take pala.
Ready, shallow. In 3, 2, 1, shallow. Wow.
They have engaged. Careful.
Okay, pammering.
Di mo na.
Oh, masakit yung engage nila.
Yo,
boys.
full smash na. After this,
Smash.
they have 2 demon rotation. We need to fake maybe.
Level 9. DPS, walking a little bit. Never
May
mind.
CD na sila. Careful.
Yo, shallow. On this tanks in 3, 2, 1. Shallow. You know, boys, OC nga. Di tayo makapatay. OC. Yo, heal.
Pinching up.
Yo,
Nice
full smash. They don't have CD. We need to smash.
Smash. Priority the gate.
Uy.
Sino yung GA natin? Pa-GA mo pagka mag-ano sila. Yo.
They look.
Looking.
Fake.
I'll do fake.
Pinching up na.
Okay, boys. After cleric. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice.
They look FCKK.
Defensive, no?
Demon.
FCC, okay.
If you
Keep
CK,
hammering, boys. Keep hammering.
CK ang sabi. CK.
Basag na ba yung core?
Headbuttin mga tier.
Sige.
Damaged na to. Itong
Fake.
gate.
Smash gate guys. Smash gate.
Smash.
They have cooldown soon.
Di man up.
Sino yung caller?
Di man
Ito ba yung fuck?
Yung Fox 0504.
Okay.
Demon.
Fake.
Ay, fake lang pala.
Wait, not yet.
May nag-drop.
Boys. Pull up if you have, we don't have defensive. Boys, but yeah, we're gonna headbutt.
Di man up ako.
Keep hammering.
Fake na naman.
Ito na.
3, 2, 1, boys, head ba.
Ooh, nice
Nice.
shit.
Puta na yun.
Yo, kill the guy outside.
Kill the people. Boys?
Don't be scared. They don't have cooldown. He cannot click, bro. Just kill him. He cannot click. It's damage.
Di tanks, you can, kay Pamering. They get cooldown now. Yo, kill that guy. Oh my god.
So, yung
Demon.
DPS natin.
Yo, boys, headback. 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Yo, faster perma, okay?
May engage pa sila.
Don't stop.
Pulot.
Di mo na pa. Ikaw, Jesus.
5 seconds.
Yo, I need
Hammer gate.
Hindi, wala pa lang.
two hammers in the gate.
Hammer boys, the gate. Yo.
Look.
Ay, sige lang.
Nice.
Ready.
Bakit?
Yo, DPS sa position yourself southwest. Gonna engage southwest wall, okay?
Don't hit Dalvin after 6k.
May CD na sila.
Do one more headbutt. Keep hammering tanks. Atigas pala na itong level 7 na
Fake.
Oo, ganun talaga. Na, konti lang talaga hammer natin. Tamat yung ibang nag-hammer eh.
Yo, hammer boys.
Mababa.
Yo, hammer.
Ang hammer,
Ano ba?
no?
Gate lang
Dapat
hammer
zero
nyo.
eight.
Huwag na yung walls.
DPS, position yourself southwest. Be ready. I'm gonna do behind the wall. Be ready, southwest, behind the wall. In 3, 2, 1. Behind the wall.
Saan ba?
Okay. Pull out a little bit. Be ready defensive, okay? They get engaged. So, have the bounce pad, nice.
Nice shit. Don't have enough DPS, Martin.
Kulang.
Pero may
Dalawa
namatay.
namatay doon. Ayos lang.
Yo, full smash. They repairing more than we damaging.
Okay.
Fake.
Yo boys, we're gonna engage here people who repairing, but hold on because you just
Eh,
walk
nasa
in.
west. Nagre-repair. Nasa west.
Okay.
Meron
Walk in someone pop night helmet. Okay,
Ready.
okay.
Here.
Nice one. Boys, be ready. Full engage. People repairing in 3, 2, 1, boys.
Nice.
Nice.
Drop you.
They will shallow gate. Kapro.
Be careful.
Color on the west of the gate.
Yo, DPS position southwest again. Paman.
Engage.
Yo, the shallow headbutt. Ready?
Demon.
3, 2, 1, shallow. Do shallow.
Bro, don't GA when your color is counting.
Pwede mo mag-comms ka sa akin, par. Comms mo sa akin na kung gusto mo i-setup.
Hammer. Bumabalik HP.
Hammer, boys. Hammer.
40%.
Fake.
Pare-parehas na. Ay, yun.
Di mo na.
They look careful.
Demon up.
Yo, base, be ready. Northeast, people who repairing in 3, 2, 1. Okay na, Mark Cleric. Be ready, Keep hammering.
I'm looking from nest.
Gage.
Demon.
Shit.
Lalo sa demon.
Nice, Demon. Yo, can you bedrock this guy FCKK repairing the west wall?
Bedrock na yung nagre-repair. 32%. Yo, boys, be ready again. And people repairing, right after night helmet. Okay, they got guard drone.
Third.
Hammering. Boys, shallow, northeast.
Yo.
People repairing. 3, 2, 1, boys.
Nice kill. Careful, they will counter.
Di mo na.
Hindi pa.
Demon up.
Pulling out.
Tangina na nga, te.
10%.
Rest okay na. Make sure that both walls is open.
Wall 5%.
We catch some. Meron ka ba engage?
Wala pa. Actually, meron na pala.
Ingat kayo.
Okay.
Wala. Hindi.
Boys, take space west. We clear this mage first. You need to pull engage these guards.
Grabe
Yeah,
yung
pull the guards here, pull the guards
There
here.
may ano,
Dropping
space
A.
leave
Three,
dito.
one. Saan?
Nevermind. Kasama pala nila.
Parang
Ingat lang, baka dadami.
Kill the guards, kill the guards. We need to clear the guards, okay? Kill the guards, kill the guards.
Meron yung sa plaque. Yung una crystal pal. May
Oo.
crystal
Bounce
pa.
Si Tukan, nakapag-lunch na ba si Tukan? Ay, ano yung isang officer nga punta sa Sam? I-lunch lang yan, no? Terry doon.
Ah,
Sino pwede?
Sige, tir mamaya na aga pa naman.
Maga pa
Tapos
naman.
may
Sige.
crystal pa nga.
Before 50.
Take,
So, boys, full engage on damage, ha? In 3, 2, 1 on damage, boys.
Si single engage
Almost,
to si Juan.
almost.
Kumukulit na naman eh. Ba't ka nagdidig?
Uy.
Pagalitan na naman.
Yung ano na rin kaya, wala naman yata silang ginagawa, tir.
Yung
Sabihin mo, Madfoot mounts.
output
Fake,
mounts.
fake, fake.
Yung Tukan. Ay, may wall din eh.
Alam mo, mahusay din siya eh.
Ah, di ba nila kaya mag-smash?
Oo, hindi na kaya.
Si Monde, mas maayos nga.
Yo, kill the, ano, please, kill the blue thing. Okay. Par, kill. Dali. Boys, walk in a little bit. I'll do fake. No,
Eric.
okay, boys, be ready. Engaging Norty.
Ay, na bigla-biglang
Keep hammering, boys.
Nakakainis.
DPS come southeast. We're gonna engage on this color.
Yung reggae, pwede mong patay.
Norty is in... Oh, wait, never mind. Norty is in 3, 2, 1.
Which
Uy.
work?
Nilayo.
Witchwork pala yun. Sino may witchwork?
Which work mo na yun?
Yo, don't witch work. Ano? Away from us.
Ganyan.
Keep hammering. Hammer.
Engaging.
It's fake.
Oh, ba't nandun yung
It's fake.
Off time.
5 seconds, we get engage.
Mayroon sa
Hati ingat.
Yo, heal.
Ay, si Mon.
Bro, don't sleep. Your caller almost died. Don't sleep.
Hammer, guys.
Boys, full engage Northeast in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful.
Yes.
Hammer. They get engaged soon, boys.
They hit.
Engaging.
Yo, we
Beauty.
full smash now. They don't have CD. We full smash.
Hammer. We do headbutt next. Headbutt next.
10 seconds, they have CD ready to headbutt.
Yo, the carving guy. Nevermind.
Yo, pressure the people inside of you. Normal attack. DPS. That's
May
me.
CD na ready to headbutt. They have CD now. We have CD there.
I'll do fake.
Ito,
Okay,
di
no more root
makapasok.
bomb again.
Di makapasok yung isa.
Yo, kill this Yapun
Yo,
guy.
kill the guy, yo.
Tangina ka.
Boys, ready. Wait, hold.
Kupal ka.
Mamatay na tantang mo. Almost dead, oh. Nice
Ay.
one.
Gago.
Di sila nag-engage pa rin, ah.
Yan na.
Yo, ba, headbutt? 3,
Di
2,
mo.
1. Fuck, I died.
Terry.
Tay ako sa demon ko.
Ah, just smash.
Ah, shit. Lang, continue. I'm going back. Na-incubus ako po kung ina.
Tutulog kasi kayo guys eh. Alam niya nang may engage eh. Wala pa kayo sa range. Ay, just smash. Wait, chill. Wait.
Trade ako, Pats.
May ano ba? Clamper ba?
Wala.
Sa Sovereigns. Nasa mid. Punta ka south.
Wala ang clamper kahit isa.
Wala.
BC.
Binabanata ng Alvin after 6 yung west nila.
Yeah, just smash.
Skip hammering.
Just defend. We just play defensive. We don't have clamper.
Yung rootbound ba?
How many dead? Dalawa?
Tatlo kayo.
Binigyan yung yung Alvin.
Yeah,
Full smash.
Yung gate. 20% yung gate.
Yo, DPS, look on the X. I'm gonna kill this guy. Preparing.
3% basag yung gate.
Okay, tara. Walk in. Slowly walk in. Kill nyo muna yung guards. Yo, DPS, look on me.
Nasa sila.
No, we can hit.
Nasa
Come
south
southwest, come southwest, come southwest.
Nasa south sila.
Booking nga.
Yo, stop southwest. Ready defend.
Wow.
Potion
Defend,
now.
defend,
Come
defend,
southwest.
defend,
Potion, come southwest.
Ano
Potion, come
nangyari?
southwest.
Kalawan ba
Potion,
to?
come southwest. Look at the choke. Choke defense in 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke now. And then come south,
Bedrock.
come south. Just walk, come south. They will pull back, we will pull back. Come southeast, outside. We go outside. We just chill. We don't have cramp, bro. It's so hard.
Southeast
Just
guys,
come south.
southeast.
Come and see. Come outside. Outside.
One shot ako doon.
Potion, defend.
Ah, fuck. Namatay ako.
Yo, come outside, bro. Don't get
Clean up na.
Fake.
They shallow there. Be careful. Help bomb soon. Help bomb. Okay. Spreader. Use space.
they look shallow. Careful.
Yo, boys.
Left, left,
Defensive north. Yo, we can engage, boys. Countering. Headbutt north in 2, 1 on the choke, boys. On the choke.
GA nga.
Nahulog na naman yung...
Remain
Sige ba?
defensive nila. Pwede ka mag-wait.
Okay.
Konti. Maluwag yung space.
Sige. Yo, come west. Clear guards on west, boys. Clear guards on west. Yo, help bomb north. Ingat ka. Kill guards.
Binasag nila yung padero.
Yo, kill guards here, northwest. Open the gates, boys. Kill guards quickly. Yo, boys, they're gonna hit soon. Be careful, be ready.
Careful.
Leash mage. Okay, everything is good. May ano na tayo, multiple. Boys, come northeast. In 3, 2, 1, northeast, boys. Be ready, Ready defensive.
Engaging.
Nice stop. De Bruyne, nice one. QW the people inside of you, boys.
Spam engage mo na yung mage.
Okay. 5 seconds, we can engage on the mage, boys. Be ready. Look on the mage,
Let's
boys.
go natin.
Engaging the mage. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage. Yeah, someone help bomb squad. Heal them. Yo, be ready defensive,
Yo, leash
Engage na.
Come back. Leash mage.
Leash instantly, boys. After we engage,
Yeah, we need to stabilize. Healer getting pressured. Just comes out.
you don't need to stay there. Okay.
Putang inang.
Yo, rampant not rampant the floor, bro.
Uy, Sumi, ano yan? Naglalag ka ba? Nasa work ka ba? Sayang yung heal.
Tier.
Defensive.
Yo.
Yep.
Focus mo na lang.
Hold.
Hindi natin kaya patay yung sentry. Focus fight. NG mo na lang yung content.
Okay. Come southwest a little bit.
Solo bomb SE, Solo bomb SE. Then a Thorny.
Boys, engage in the north. Shallow in 3, 2, 1. Shallow.
Nice.
Nice one.
Puka ng ina.
Mabol pa.
Fuck, nag-engage sila.
Alvin up.
Yeah, pull the mage. Just pull the mage. Leash the mage. I need locus when we're going back here on the choke.
Yo, pangalan mo, Verns. Huwag niya naputin. Caesar daw siya.
Man, kailangan ko lang ng imo.
Upper.
Special on the mage. Boys, be ready on the mage. In 3,
2 seconds.
2, 1 on the mage. Locus now.
Leash the mage fast.
Pull back, boys. Stay southwest.
Defense.
Nice
Even,
one.
pwede mo kunin yung mage. Ilayo mo siya sa amin. Ay, mamaya na. Reset ka muna. HP.
10 seconds, Demon.
Okay.
Same.
Someone, wear this banner, rookies.
Demon up.
Ay, gago na pindot.
Demon up.
Demon up team.
It's fake. Boys, wait. Okay. Engaging in the mage in 3, 2, 1 on the mage, boys. Okay, pull back.
Silent.
May ano,
Boy,
mag-launch
don't
na yung ano, yung isa.
Nice team,
Nice defense. Oh, boys, engaging. On the mage. Again, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage, on the mage, on the mage.
Nice.
Okay, pull southwest, pull southwest, pull southwest, pull southwest. They're walking in, be careful.
Kaya spamin mo lang.
Sige lang. Yo, spread. Stop them. Stop them now, boys. They're coming in.
Hindi mo na.
Choke.
Two
Stop
seconds.
running away! You spread, just
Demon,
stop
demon,
them,
demon,
boys.
demon,
Why you
demon.
guys running away? Boys, walking. Ready on the mage, boys. Look on the mage. On the mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage, boys. The mage in north mage. Why are you guys running away? Oh my god.
Yeah, leash now.
Fake,
We don't have
fake.
Release again. Stabilize here, oh, boys. Oh, here. You don't run away. You don't follow the bomb squad. Oh my god.
Ang tagal
If they walk in this choke, they're fucking dead.
Naka-engage pa sila muna. Bago.
Di man up.
Hindi mo na.
Okay. After guard run. Wait. Yo, the inching
Take.
ba? Be careful. Yo, pressure that
Take.
placing side of you.
Fake.
Ready
One
defensive,
down.
ready defensive.
Okay.
Next engage ata nila baka ano.
Engage.
Boys, after north mage in 3, 2, 1, boys.
Hit
Next
more.
one. Defensive at the same time.
Sakit yung mage.
I killed go at least.
Yo, leash mage, quickly. We need to engage with the mage, as soon as possible.
Demon 10.
Wait, last tukan nga din. Tukan.
12.
11 na.
Sabihin mo, hit Mitch. Kito ko.
Oo.
Demon na.
Yo, boys, Mond,
Di mo na-
be ready ka na. Engaging, shallow, mage in 3, 2, 1, shallow mage. Nice one. Ready, support, nice one, good shit.
Putang
Nice.
ang mage nila.
Just don't get hit by the mage. Wala tayong CD. Mag-back kayo. Lumayo kayo sa mage.
Nakita mo
Get your cooldown. Let me know pag may ano kayo.
Gago, legit. Oo nga, ako next stop lang.
Other one. Make sure na may laging may incubus sa...
Sige.
I'll do fake.
Nice.
Nice.
Wala sa root bound.
Not yet, boys. Be ready on the mage.
Kaya mag-over the wall
2, 1, boys, on the mage. Okay, defensive at the same time,
Yeah.
Demon, wait nyo lang yung demon. Yo,
They looking deep.
Southwest, southeast, watch southeast, Be careful, Stop them, just spread here, boys, spread here. Don't worry, spread here. You still have your
May
pots.
DPS sa loob mo.
Pots now. Push 3 east, push east a little bit. East, and then look north, boys, be ready, in the north, in 3, 2, 1, north.
Nice it.
Boys, come back, southwest, west. Good shit, boys.
Naliwang ka?
Remember, we have a lot multiple, Fuck.
Demon na.
Di man up.
5 minutes to play.
Boys, on the mage, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the mage only. Good shit.
Reklamo ka kaagad eh. Kalman mo lang.
Let's engage on the mage. Then we can walk in.
Joker.
Yung banner, nice one.
Ayun na naman, ang daming binabantayan. Walang healer dito sa likod.
Demon 10.
Ilan CD mo? Tier magkakatsa ka.
5 seconds pa.
1-5.
Okay, boys. Sige, pwede kang
Ay,
mag-set.
set up ako.
Boys, on the mage, in 3, 2, 1, boys. Sentry down. Walking.
Yo, no more mage.
Okay.
Kill front.
No mage. Walking, boys. Spread here. Look southeast, boys, ready. Oh, no, north. They running north.
Northeast.
Boys, engaging north in 3, 2, 1, boys, north. Nice one.
Pag-engage pa sila.
Caller is still here.
Yo, come back southwest. Yo, don't hit Tokan. Natak na ba? Yung sump.
Yo, mount up is ng officer, please. Go sum.
Masam ka nga pumunta doon.
Okay. May banner ka dyan?
No need ba na?
Nanid ba na? I cannot even, raid this.
Tawa ka mo banner para maka-raid. Attack pwede.
Meron din ako eh.
Ako nare-rate ko. Ano?
Di mo nap, di mo nap.
Ako na ba?
Hawak mo ba yung banner?
Oo, hawak yung bala.
Sige, attack mo na lang. Launch mo na lang.
Kaya daw i-read ni Emilia ata eh. Sino ba nagsalita?
I-raid mo na lang, Emilia.
Okay,
no,
Kasi dalawa kami nagsasabay kami nag-raid. Cannot trade while competitors are, raiding same time.
Okay.